have a nice condition Scandalli accordion. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons with 2 reeds in the treble. We have a low and middle reed with 2 switches on the treble side. And this is what the switches sound like. Here's the middle. We have a toggle switch on the bass, and this is what the 2 sounds sound like. That's your high and your master. This is an extremely compact and lightweight accordion. It is a full-size keyboard and bass keyboard. We have a clarinet and a bandoneon sound. It's a red and cream theme with a interesting looking grill. Scandalli is a very fine make accordion. This would be great for somebody who has smaller fingers, as it is a very compact keyboard. So it has a nice sound. I'll play something so you can hear it.